How to fix Uber driver app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Uber driver, and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can launch the app and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. In this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Make sure you have enough storage, then head towards the app Uber Driver, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply Solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app Uber Driver. Once app appears, install it. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can easily fix Uber driver app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.